Hey everyone, it's Jake here from Diamond Exterior Cleaning. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you for coming back to the channel for another video. I'm sure you'll be glad you did, because today's clean is absolutely filthy. I think we're going to have an absolutely awesome transformation. It's really grimy, really mossy, really weedy block paving, and I just get so excited when I see things like this. Have a look at this, guys. You can see just the weeds, the white spots, the black spots, all of that grime. It's all going to get removed, and I'm so excited. It's going to be awesome. Not many cleans I get super excited for, but this one I am excited. The customer has mentioned to me that the soak away is not the best, so we may have a bit of drainage issues, and my plan is to almost clean up towards the sort of drive end there, because there is a drain at the end, but it's going to be a bit of a battle. We'll see how we get on. I brought the surface cleaner with me. What a fool. It's going to be an absolute 0% chance that the surface cleaner does a job on this. It's going to have to be turbo nozzle to get rid of all this moss and slop. But yeah, like I said, super excited. Thanks for coming back. If you like the video, make sure you like it, and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy and you want to see a few more videos, because I'm pumping these out now once a week, definitely for you guys. Try and stay consistent. I appreciate every single one of you. And let's crack on. Cheers. So guys, I have tried my hardest to sort this drainage and I've had no luck. Look at this, tragic. Absolutely abysmal. I'm not really sure what else I can do. I haven't got the gutter vac with me and it's way too far away to go grab it. So what I'm going to try and do is rinse down the rest of the driveway, make sure everything's clean, and then leave it whilst I do another job. I'm actually doing the back patio of this house as well. So leave it to sort of dry out, hopefully soak away to some extent, and then yeah, give it another rinse down later. It's really, really warm today, so hopefully a lot of it evaporates and it can help me that way. Nature can help me out, fingers crossed. Otherwise it's a lot of brushing to do. That's what I've been trying to do anyway, just brushing it up the drive, but it's futile. My efforts are futile, hopeless. Well, anyway, I thought I'd give you the update and explain why there's a massive puddle when I'm rinsing down already, if you get what I mean. So crack on with the rinse down. I'm sure we're going to reveal some excellent colours underneath, and to be honest, I'll just get on with it. Alright guys, we are done. Thank you so much for joining me for this clean. It was really, really fun, and I think after the resanding it looked absolutely awesome. I also got the chance to go and clean the back patio at this property, which was a grey, grimy and slimy patio, which the owner has not cleaned for years.
I also filmed that one and it should be coming up shortly after this video. It's only short, so if you're still in the mood for some awesome cleaning, then make sure you head over to that video and take a look there. I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who's made it this far in the video and has been supporting me with the likes on the video. So if you do enjoy the video, please make sure to like it, and if you want to see some more epic cleans like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, I appreciate you all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.